To water any tree effectively, there's two main goals: to water wide and to water deep. Romeo Tree Service has installed this watering basin, which accomplishes the goal of both. We can water wide because we're at the drip line on each side, and we can water deep because we use a large amount of water to fill up these basins, at least 2 to 3 feet deep. Prior to the basin being installed, the customer was watering this pine at this inner well. Watering should be done at the drip line. If you prefer not to have a basin around your tree, or if it's not practical for your space, you can use a lawn sprinkler. A lawn sprinkler will accomplish watering wide and deep. It just might take a bit longer.